So I've got my Thermacell mosquito repellent station here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that it comes with and just show you the functions of the button here, the inside of this, how all this works, and then also give you a demonstration. So this one station, you're going to be able to control an area of right around 20 feet. It kind of creates a zone, but of course that's all dependent on the wind too. Of course, this is meant to be used outside, not indoors. And so the way it works is you've got your actual diffuser here, and what you're going to do is you're going to open the lid up here. This is held on magnetically through these three contacts. You're going to slide it into this slot. Now what it does is when you turn it on, it heats it up. There's a plate on the left side and the back side, and it's going to sandwich this in. You're going to take the top off. So when you're not using it, you just put the top back on here. It's going to heat up the liquid that's inside here, and it's going to come out this diffuser. You just put the top back on. We're going to go ahead and press this button. Right away we see the battery level, and then we're going to see these dots spinning around. What that's saying is that the inside of this is starting to heat up. Now while it's heating up, let me go ahead and show you. There's a couple of different ways you can go ahead and charge this up. Now it takes about 2 hours to go ahead and fully charge this. We got a port right here on the front with the provided cord here. It's a USB-A on one end and a Type-C on the other end. Or you can go ahead and put it on this docking station. Now the docking station, the port here is on the back side, where this one's, of course, it's going to be on the front. And you just put it in there just like this, and that way it's going to go ahead and charge it up. Now while it is charging, you can see the lights, they quit working, it turns off. So you just want to make sure that while this is going, this is turned on, it's not actually being charged up, so that way it can go ahead and function okay. Also, the inside of this, once it's fully charged, it does have a 12-hour battery life. And also, this refill right here, that is good for right around 36 hours. So let me go ahead and put this back on. Turn it back on, and you'll see as I've put it onto the docking station, I'm charging up, or I take off the top, it automatically stops warming up. It's just a safety feature. So anytime I take that off, you know that it's going to stop doing its function. So right now it's going to go ahead and it's getting ready. Those lights quit spinning, and now it's going to go ahead and it's warming up. It's going to start warming up all that fluid in there, and it's going to start coming out of the top. Now that the vapor is coming out of the diffuser port, what I did is I took this outside because I didn't want it to be inside of my house. But you can see it's starting to come out here, and eventually it's just going to start covering the area. As you can see, it's just kind of also floating too, and that's why the wind's important. Right now, today, I don't have any wind at all. So what I would do if I was going to be coming outside, I would go ahead and just sit this outside for a little bit before I actually show up if I'm worried about mosquitoes, because it is going to take a little bit to go ahead and cover that area. But it's super easy to use. You can see it's coming out here. It's all warmed up. We've got our lights down here saying it's warmed up. Let me go ahead and pull this back off again. You can hear the little beeps, so it actually turns off, and all that's coming up through here. And then this is our liquid. So once I'm through with this, I just put the cap back on here and I store it till next time. Comes with everything I need. Hope you found this review helpful.